Hey, Alicia, remember this? Everybody grab a screenshot of this. If you need the original picture, I'll send it to you in a private message on Instagram. Blow it up and take a look at that upper right corner right below all the typing, that very first line, line C. It says donor's social security number or employee ID number. That number's 8 numbers long. Social security numbers are 9. And your work verified, that's your work employee ID number. I want you to take a look at this because she had erased where the return to work was, and you can see that. But right here, the CPS, if you notice the C doesn't match the C in Alicia or any of the other C's that's on that form that was filled out by the person that actually took the urine drug screen from her. Remember she said it was blood and hair? It was a urine drug screen. You know how I know? It says split test on it. And because I contacted that lab, they don't do blood for a very first time, for a very first test on a drug screen for CPS. You see, gotta be a little bit smarter and think outside the box, Alicia. Notice that C doesn't match that C. And also, one other thing to notice, that carbon color on the CPS doesn't match the carbon color on the other. She could have easily went to Walmart, bought a $2 receipt book, and taken the carbon out of it, and wrote that, and checked the other. The pin doesn't even match. You can tell it was a fatter point pin than what the rest of the forms filled out in. You see, Alicia, this is what's called forensic investigation. You take things and you break them down and you look at the smallest parts of it. And then you find out what's going on. Like contacting that doctor up in Indiana and talking to him about the fact that they had the contract for every government agency in the state of Texas. That includes Workman's Comp, CPS, the Department of Criminal Justice, the Department of Social Services, for their employment and for any other type of urine drug screening they need to have done. You tried it. You tried it. You see, you wanted to call us saying that we were setting you up. You set yourself up with the fake urine drug screen because they said you could go back to work and you had to have the urine drug screen in order to do it. Your work sent you to get a urine drug screen because Workman's Comp told your ass to go back to work. Stop lying, Alicia. But you put it into the universe. And now what do you have? A CPS case. And no income. You might want to be talking with your rental agency also.